Welcome. This is Dr. Ingrid Vasiliu Feltes. I'm currently the CEO of Softhread, as well as the Chief Innovation Officer for the Government Blockchain Association, and serve as an advisor to the European Union Blockchain Observatory and Forum. I would like to thank the organizers for allowing me to share a few thoughts about the impact of Web 3.0 on the digital economy. Please allow me to share a brief keynote overview. First, I will highlight the global landscape we're witnessing. Then I will emphasize some of the challenges and opportunities that lie before us. And I will conclude with future directions we can all collaborate on. When we examine the global landscape, a few features are relevant. The massive economic impact, new ecosystems that are being built around Web 3.0, investments directed towards the design and deployment of Web 3.0, as well as a strong trend for converging technologies being deployed. The economic impact is massive. For example, the digital transformation global market is expected to reach $6.8 trillion by 2026 and growing at a CAGR of 15.5%. And the metaverse global market is expected to reach $758.6 billion by 2026. Additionally, new ecosystems are being built around Web 3.0, such as digital transformation and business transformation. Digital currencies are on the rise, infrastructure development to absorb and adapt to Web 3.0 developments, emerging and frontier technologies revolving around Web 3.0 for interoperability, and omni-channel marketing and e-commerce platforms that are required for the commercializing efforts of Web 3.0. The Web 3.0 economy has witnessed increased trends in users, number of technologies deployed, number of startups, number of transactions, investments, as well as increased M&A activity. Experts agree that there are a few drivers of Web 3.0. Some of the most notable ones relevant for our talk today are digital securities, digital currencies, digital assets, DeFi ecosystems, metaverse, and omniverse. I would like to share a few stats that are relevant to some of these trends. The monthly share of web traffic to NFT marketplaces by region in 2021 highlights a strong predominance of this type of traffic in certain markets, such as Central and Southern Asia, LATAM, and North America. The number of non-fungible token sales in popular categories in the past month also highlights that although gaming and metaverse are still strong, art, utility, and collectibles are predominating. The global venture capital investments in cryptocurrency and blockchain companies is approaching $30 billion and is expected to continue to rise. The amount of cryptocurrencies held in 5 different categories of decentralized finance or DeFi worldwide also highlights that lending, DEXs, assets remain dominant. Also, this graph illustrating the industry breakdown of XR shows that we are experiencing an increase in certain industries that before were not high adopters, such as education and healthcare, for example. As referenced, we are observing a strong converging technology trend where blockchain technologies are being deployed in conjunction with AI, robotics, AR, VR, XR, 3D printing, 5G and 6G, IoT, next generation computing, and others. However, we also have numerous challenges that we are facing, as well as some opportunities. Some of the challenges that are ubiquitous are privacy, trust, cyber threats, regulatory and legal hurdles, as well as an ongoing battle to emphasize the need for ESG consciousness. What are some of the opportunities that lie ahead of us? With Web 3.0, we're looking forward to democratization of data, zero trust environments for global data exchanges. Social entrepreneurship can experience an increased boost. We hope that with Web 3.0, we can contribute to financial inclusion and digital inclusion initiatives. We also aim to create a culture of digital ethics in organizations, as well as a culture of cyber resilience, and move away from only reactive cybersecurity efforts. Additionally, longer-term strategies must include an emphasis on attainment of United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, as well as upholding human rights. At Softhread, we have developed a proprietary solution called Chios that is designed for confidential computing, as well as complex regulatory and compliance requirements of highly regulated industries. We are addressing major challenges in adopting blockchains by reducing cyber vulnerability, increased flexibility, and scalability by the numbers of servers, devices, or users we can serve. We achieve decentralized confidentiality, fine-grained access control, and robust intrusion tolerance by avoiding any single point of failure and maintaining operational efficiency. In summary, Chios offers a zero-trust solution by deploying a trifecta of blockchain, AI, and edge cloud computing. Our competitive advantage is interoperability, scalability, flexibility, and operational efficiency. As mentioned, Web 3.0 offers a unique opportunity to facilitate attainment of United Nations SDGs. Although all SDGs can benefit from Web 3.0 deployments, I would like to emphasize the role we can have on health, education, and developing of smart cities and smart communities. Additionally, it is essential to uphold human rights, and Web 3.0 can be an important foundational element. I would hope that this event can also be a call to action for global stakeholders to develop a Bill of Rights for Web 3.0 and a Code of Conduct for Web 3.0. What are some of the future directions? Web 3.0 also lays the foundation for a higher adoption of digital citizenship, the creation of digital twins for new industries, deploying augmented and hybrid intelligence for education, health, and other industries, developing smart cities, global data exchanges, as well as human-centric data centers. I would like to thank the organizers once again for inviting me to deliver this keynote. And I'm inviting all of you to reach out to me if you would like to learn more about Web 3.0 and its impact on the economy, United Nations SDGs, society, as well as human rights. Thank you.